All right, for the weekly spread. So it's called Panda Planner Weekly because it's an incredibly creative name for this weekly planner. You got your Sunday through Saturday layout here, and we're gonna go through all the sections for how you can fill these out. So of course you put in the week that you're in there, your daily habit that you're working on, and you've got little H boxes on each day to check off when you actually complete that. And your weekly focus is gonna be something like a theme for the week or something that you really wanna focus on. So that can be like being present with your friends, or making eye contact with people that you meet, or smiling at strangers. It could be like any number of things, big or small, but just something that you want to place a focus on this week. Of course, my clicker stops working for this moment. Bear with me. And then the challenges are just basically something that like you can come up with a challenge yourself to expand yourself out of your comfort zone. So that can be a challenge is just like, you know what, don't check social media until 9 p.m. at night because you've gotten everything else done. Use it as a reward. Or it could be like, don't eat ice cream. Or it could be like, get to the gym every day the entire week. I don't know, just like whatever challenges are relevant to you in your life. Try and come up with a couple ones to keep yourself moving forward. Weekly tasks are like all the big events that you want to make sure get done this week. So having like kind of a table of contents that you can pull from when you're scheduling your day will be nice. You can have it really nice and organized here. And then notes, use it for whatever you want. Sketches, ideas, whatever. And then of course you're gonna come into each daily section and fill those out. We'll do Tuesday. So you start with your morning routine, 3 things that you're grateful for, and you're just building the habit of I guess starting your day with optimism and with gratitude and things that you're thankful for. This is just like the best place that you can put your brain, the best state that you can put yourself into to really appreciate and feel like you have a fulfilling life, and also just to get more stuff done. And then we're gonna go into what you're excited about. And this is building positive anticipation. It's also priming your brain for feeling like you're ready for it. So you're kind of reframing nervousness as excitement. And then you're allowing yourself to like get yourself mentally and physically ready in order to accomplish the day. And then your priorities, your top 3 priorities, we limited it to 3 here in the weekly just to make sure you're focusing on the stuff that really, really matters. And you can pull these from your weekly tasks, but also from the weekly review section where we did the top 4 projects and the subtasks. You can pull those from here and fill them out each day. Your schedule is broken down into half-hour slots, and you want to schedule each one of these priorities into your schedule and write down when you're going to do it, but also your weekly tasks, and also any kind of other like errands or small tasks. You just have to have a place for everything. So write down everything that you're going to be doing in your week. Start with all the big stuff that you know you're going to be doing, like driving, commuting, picking up kids, running errands, whatever. Put those all in there, and then find the time to prioritize the other stuff in your life as well. So by doing this, you basically have like a directory for how you're going to live your day. You never have to wonder where you're going to be at or what you're doing on a given day. You just follow your schedule. And then at the end of each day, you can take the time to go over what went well today. What were your wins today? And really take the time to savor them and really appreciate what you accomplished today. And again, this is kind of like a little trick in order to, there's some research that shows that if you end your day on a positive note, people tend to remember the day as a good day. So even if you had a challenging day, if you finish strong, your brain is kind of going to remember that day as a good day. So by having this at the end of the day where you're just focusing on the things that went really well, it's kind of like tricking your brain into always thinking that you had a good day, which over time is just going to lead to feeling really satisfied with your life and fulfilled and like overall just generally happier. So cool little trick. And then we've got how I'll improve is like taking baby steps every day to like figure out what are some small things that you can do to improve in your life, and just getting in the habit of doing this without beating yourself up, without making yourself feel bad, but instead stating this in like the affirmative and the positive of something that you can do to make your life better. You're going to see some pretty cool changes if you do this consistently over time, or even inconsistently, but just making an effort to do this on a daily, bi-daily, every other 3 days, you're going to see really big changes in your life. It's just not something that the average person does. So we're taking the time and making the space to make that happen. So that is your weekly spread section. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, if you're getting some value out of using your Panda Planner, if you could do me a favor and just share it with a friend, it would mean a lot to me. Not like actually give them the planner, but maybe just share the message with them that you're using this product and you're enjoying it. Our goal is to help as many people as possible with our scientifically designed tools and strategies. So the more that we can spread the word, the better. We're a really small company, so trying to compete with the other planner, the big boys in the industry is not always easy. So we really rely on word of mouth and people like you to help us spread the word. So I'd appreciate it, and thanks so much. Talk to you soon.